So here all we're going to do is combine like terms. The letters have to be identical in order for you to be able to combine them. So what can I combine?
8B and 4.
Yeah, 12b, 8 and 4 is 12. And then the c's can be combined. What is negative 3 plus 9?
6.
Plus 6c. That's all I want.
Final answer?
I don't know what else to tell you.
That was really hard.
I don't know what else to tell you.
Mind-blowing.
It's going to get a little harder.
The hardest problem ever.
Negative 2a plus 9d minus 5a minus 6d. Looks like the same story. Different numbers, right? You got a's and d's. So negative 2a minus 5a is how many?
3A.
Nah.
Oh, this is positively 7.
Negative 7a. Because think of negative numbers as money you owe your parents, okay? You owe them $2, you owe them $5 more. Negatives are more owing. Positives is money you have, okay? So on 9 and negative 6, you have $9, you owe your parents 6. How much do you have left when you're done paying them? 3. What's the deal with this one? Who does that 4 on the outside of the parenthesis belong to?
Both X and Y.
Yeah, everybody inside the parenthesis right next to it. So we're going to distribute it in. And we have 16x minus 36y. So we got rid of those parentheses. We got to get rid of these over here. This 8 belongs to everybody inside that parenthesis. So we have 24x plus 16y. And now we look at what's left and see if we can combine more stuff. And we can, right? We have the x's can go together and the y's can go together. So 16 plus 24, I believe, is 40. Somebody check my work. And negative 36 plus 16 is negative 20.
40 is right.
Who here has been to an amusement park? Disney, Carowinds, anything? Oh, poor Huppy. Oh, okay. All right, he has 2. Well, have you ever been there with a 3-year-old?
Huh?
Have you ever been?
Yeah. I've done one as a 3-year-old.
Huh?
I've done one as a 3-year-old.
Okay, well, when you went as a 3-year-old, you get assigned to somebody, right? Because you're in the park and you don't want to get to the water park at Carowinds and go, I thought you had him. Where's Cooper? Well, I thought you had him, right? So you assign him to somebody because you want to make sure he's safe, right? Or she. So the same thing happens with this minus sign. I like giving this minus sign, turn it into a plus, and giving him to that 6 right there, okay? And then I don't lose him, because that's the biggest mistake made on this, is losing the minus sign, just like you would lose a 3-year-old at an amusement park. So we're going to go on. This negative 5 goes to everybody. So we have negative 50x minus 40z. Somebody tell me what over here, what happens over here?
Negative 6 times 4 negative 7.
Negative 24x. And then negative 6 times negative 7 is what?
Negative 42. 42.
Plus 42. Negative and a negative.
Oh, right.
Got it? So we got x's and y's. There's your 2 x's. I mean z's. And there's your 2 z's. So what happens with the x's? Negative 50. Owe your mom 50. Owe your mom 24. How much do you owe her?
70. A lot.
$74. You're getting into debt. Be careful. What about this one? You owe your dad 40, but you have 42 in the bank. What do you have left?
2.
2 measly dollars. And we're done.